Good morning, guys. Welcome to another behind the scenes of running a planner sticker shop. Today, the theme for the day is orders. We got some orders over the weekend. Our new product launch went really well. So thank you guys so much for supporting me this past weekend. I'm going to be working on all the orders, and yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing. I also have a video that I need to edit and upload, and I also have my iced coffee that you guys saw me make, and I'm trying oat milk. I tried it yesterday at Starbucks. I got the brown sugar shaken espresso or whatever, and I really liked it. So I was like, I'm gonna get oat milk and try it in my coffee at home. So anyway, I'm gonna drink my iced coffee. I'm going to print orders, and then we're gonna package them. And that's, you know, what we're gonna do today. I'm currently cutting orders, as you can hear my machines going in the background, and once I finish them, I'm going to edit my YouTube video and get that up. And then I don't know, because I could do like a lot of other stuff that I need to do, but I kind of just want to read a book and chill. And it's so beautiful outside that like I kind of want to go sit outside and read my book. So I might do that. I also need to do some other stuff around the house. Let me show you guys, because there's some exciting house updates coming very soon. So you may notice we have a ladder right here. We also moved the table that was right there, the desk table thing. And you also might see something over here. So I have not shown this in any videos. I haven't shown this in my cleaning channel. So you would only have seen this if you watched James's videos. But we are finally painting the living room, something that I've been wanting to do for a very long time, because I don't know if you can tell like how dark it is. It's actually brighter on camera, but it's like super dark. Like that is kind of more, it's still brighter on camera, but that's more accurate to like it being super dark. So anyway, we have these three colors. We decided to go with this top one. On camera, it's really hard to tell, but it is actually a blue color, but it's a very light blue, which is what I want. I didn't want a gray because I felt like that was gonna be too dark, and I wanted to have a little bit of color. So we've gone with that one. That's what I'm trying to say. The middle one was too blue, and again, on camera, it's not really coming off blue, but trust me, it is. And hopefully whenever the whole thing is painted, you guys will be able to tell. So we have this big, huge paint bucket. Then we have this, so James is gonna have to sand the walls down, like go in and sand it, because they did such a horrible job painting this, and there's like texture to it. More so like in this area of the house, but there's still some, and so we're just gonna do the whole thing. Like over there, the paint actually took really well to the wall, and it's not like too bad over there, but over here, it's very textured. They just didn't do a very good job painting. So we're gonna sand everything. So we're gonna sand this entire room down, wipe down the walls, and then we're going to be painting. So it's gonna be quite the process. So all that to say, we have to move like all of our furniture out of here in order to do this. So we've already been pulling DVDs off the shelf, and we have some down there that we've gotta put somewhere. We're gonna have to take apart our couch and move it. We're gonna have to block off my office with like just some plastic, so that way the dust and everything doesn't get in there with like my stickers and stuff. So it's gonna be an interesting week. I'm hoping. Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. I didn't really finish the vlog yesterday, so I think I'm just gonna make this like a weekly vlog for this week because not a whole lot is happening this week. I'm not super busy. I'm just busy with like painting that wall, or I will be. So shop related tasks, I'm not as busy, but today I'm designing all the July monthly items. And then I was thinking about organizing my stock. I also have like a ton of like grab bags, which are just like stickers that didn't sell, but I had stock and I removed them from my shop. So I might do that today. I might like organize my stock today, but I'm definitely gonna design today. So that's task number 1. Okay guys, so I am going to work on the grab bags. They're not oops bags, they're just like sheets that didn't sell. So yeah, they're perfectly fine. I think I'm going to do maybe like 10 sheets in each and have it be, each sheet is $2, which would make them $20 a piece. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll just do $1 each because honestly I just want to get rid of them. So then it would be $10 for 10 sheets. We'll see, but I've got my big huge pile here. Like, look at this pile. So many stickers. So I'm going to get the cellophane bags and I'm gonna assemble all of them. Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. Yes, today's Wednesday. This vlog's been a little all over the place, but I'm trying to get back to it today. I think my camera died yesterday while I was trying to assemble the like grab bags or whatever I'm calling them. So I still have some of that to do. As you can see, I just left my camera chill in there. But today I'm gonna cut all the stuff I designed yesterday, get that done, and it's gonna be a pretty chill day. Like I said yesterday, there's not a ton going on right now in the shop, and mainly I just need to get everything like done for the week today, because I think tonight we are going to move the couch and get ready to sand the walls down and get ready to paint. And I'm hoping that we have the entire process done by Saturday. So like sand the walls tonight and tomorrow, and then paint all day Friday, and hopefully put everything back on Saturday. That's my goal. Hopefully that will happen. I don't really want to spend the entire weekend painting, and I know like Sunday is gonna be insane because it's Easter and everything. So I really want to have just like Saturday to chill and do nothing other than like move stuff back in here, which won't take that long. So anyway, all that to say, today I'm cutting the new releases and just getting all the last little things done. Okay guys, it is a while later. It's almost 3:30 and I finished cutting all the new releases, minus I need to design the one for the classic happy planner because I apparently forgot, but my printer ran out of ink and I don't have the color that ran out, so I'm gonna have to get some more and then hopefully get it done tonight before we move everything in here. So a little stressed about that. Not stressed, but just like I just want to get everything done, you know? So I just spent probably like an hour trying to organize my stock. I know I've gotten that question before, like how do I store my stickers? And guys, I have not had a good system, mainly because I was never meant to be like ready to ship. I was always just made to order. But there are some things that like there's 2 of on a sheet, or like our little quarter size sheets there's like 4 of them on a sheet. So when somebody orders one, I have like 3 left over, if that makes sense. So I have a ton of stuff left over, which is why when I discontinued stuff, I have like a ton of these like grab bags, because they were all just leftover stock that didn't sell. But I got rid of all the quarter sheets, so hopefully I won't have that problem anymore. But I really didn't have a system for organizing this at all. Like they've just been thrown in bins, and like I go search for them when somebody orders, and then if I don't have it, I print it, and it was very, very unorganized. I didn't like that system, but again, I really wasn't trying to be ready to ship, so I wasn't like wanting to have a system, but I decided that it was time to get a little bit more organized with everything. So I'm gonna show you guys what I've been doing for the past hour or so. I'm still nowhere near finished, but it's a start. Okay guys, so I actually got this container at IKEA to try out. I'm gonna order more of them, and then I got these like dividers off of Amazon, and then I just got a label maker and I started labeling the name of the sheet. So like here's all the like functional sticker kits and everything like that. So I don't have like our kits in here yet, but I have like single sheets, like the countdowns, like the pool day stickers are in here. So I'm kind of loving this setup. And the nice thing is this will also fit the 8.5 by 11 kits as well. So I think I'm gonna have one for like these single sheets and then one for all the kits. and it's gonna be a really nice way to store everything. So that's kind of my sticker storage plan as of right now. So anyway, and then I'm also storing all of this stuff in here. So if you guys missed out on ordering like the washi or the notepads, we still have some. And then down here, I just have these sticker albums and the reusable sticker books. So yeah, that's pretty much how I'm organizing things. But as you can tell, I do have this going on. I need to order another one of those bins and then start organizing like the full mini base kits. And then also I need to continue on this, doing the daily duo kits. These all have to be organized and I have to do the listing photos for them and whatnot. So yeah, still a ways from being organized, but at least we are in the right direction. So I think I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here. I feel like it's kind of long because it's been over the course of 3 days. And honestly, I don't see myself really doing anything shop related tomorrow, just because by that time I should have a couch in my office. So this is gonna be an interesting weekend, but hopefully we will get it all done quickly and then we can have this room painted, done. It's gonna be so nice to have that done and just, I'm so excited about that. So anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up for me. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I will see you guys next week for a brand new video. Bye guys.